If you're a parent struggling to make studying fun for your kids, then you need to stick around. These tips are game changers. First up, make learning fun. Use educational games and apps to turn study time into playtime. Try hands-on activities like experiments in arts and crafts to keep things exciting. Next, connect learning to their interests. If they love sports, use sports stats to teach math or dive into the science behind their favorite game. Encourage curiosity by fostering an environment where asking questions is welcomed. Explore new topics regularly to keep their curiosity alive. Create a positive learning environment with a dedicated, comfy study area, and use positive reinforcement to celebrate their efforts. Set short-term goals and rewards to build a sense of accomplishment. Use incentives like extra playtime or a special treat. Be a role model. Show your own love for learning and involve them in your interests. Encourage independence by letting them choose what to study and learn at their own pace. Finally, build study skills by teaching time management and effective study techniques. With these strategies, you can make learning an enjoyable adventure for your child. Like, subscribe, and share for more tips. Follow us at Kids Neurons for fun learning videos.